everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Bizzie Planning, B-I-Z-Z-I-E. Super cute name. And I found her on Etsy, and I was just doing a search looking for some stickers because I wanted to spend some money apparently, and I came across her shop, and look at how cute this is. The packaging is adorable. It says thank you and has a little dog. So cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. So it's like a little folder with sparkly paper. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it looks like this is the freebie. Has Disney and binge, no spend, and then that's crossed out and says oops. Netflix and binge. And it looks like her Instagram is Plan in Peace. P-E-A-C-E. Waylon, no. He's playing with my yarn. And then these are even cut so that they could, looks like it fits in a happy planner. I don't use a happy planner, but I kind of think that you can pick if you want them cut or not, and I don't even know if I chose because I don't really care. But it's kind of neat if you had one of those happy planners, you can get them to stick in there. But I have grocery pickup, order groceries, and grocery delivery. And now I've been doing more of the grocery delivery than I have the grocery pickup, but both are great. So those are really cute. And let's see what's in this one. My dogs are in here sniffing around. And here is a dog doing dishes. Cute dog. And here's a dog doing an eye appointment. That's cute. And here's a thank you. Asking you to put your items on Instagram. And then my receipt. And then I got a couple of kits, it looks like. I don't even remember what I got. B6 Mini is the kit that I got. And this is called Staying In, and I love these muted pastels. Oh my goodness, and love the dog. And then there's half boxes and quarter boxes. And then here are the days and dates and weekend sticker. Oh goodness, and I even get washi. This is great. This is a perfect size kit for me. Oh, that's awesome. I love it. So that one's called Staying In. I like to keep my weekly kits in their bags because it's easier to sort through them. Waylon, let's not do that. Waylon, Waylon, hey. This one's called Shop Till You Drop. Please hide packages from husband. He's like checking out all my stuff over there. Sale, sale. Oh, how cute. These are adorable. And the weekend and days of the week, dates, and washi. Oh, that's awesome. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then it looks like you get a collect rhinestones for Bizzie's collar and save. Well, that's cute. So collect 20 rhinestones. And look, this has a rhinestone on it. Do all the pages have rhinestones? Yes. So you almost get, I mean, I've probably almost, because all of these have them. These don't. The itty bizzies seem to not, but the other ones all do. So, and each page of these do. So that's 4, 8, 9, 10 that I already have. So I'm halfway there to get $5 off. That's pretty cool. And then you can use codes, and I used a code called Tracy20 to get 20% off. I don't know if I used that one, but they offer that one. This is so cute. I don't know that I'm going to put them all back in here, though. I'm going to have to use this for something else because I love it. That is adorable. So that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching. She really has taken a long time to come up with her packaging, and she's really done a great job. My goodness, like, this is amazing. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And check her out, Bizzie Planning, and you can find her on Etsy. Bye-bye.